In this video, I want to show you how to fix internet issues that you're having with your Nintendo Switch 2. Maybe you're not able to connect to your Wi-Fi. Maybe your Wi-Fi is disconnecting continuously. What should you do? Well, I'll show you a few different solutions. The first thing you need to try when this is happening is to simply reboot your console. Most of the time, it's a software problem. And why try anything complicated when you can simply press the power button until you get to this power options. Select power options, select restart, and simply wait until the console restarts. Usually it takes like 10 seconds, and see if the Wi-Fi problem is gone and the console is able to connect to your Wi-Fi. Most of the time, this simple thing will work. But what if you're still having problems? Well, in that case, let me show you another thing you can do. Go into the settings of your Switch 2. Over here, go Internet settings. It will search for the networks. This is the one that I'm currently connected. It has this blue check mark. Tap on the Wi-Fi you are connected. Select Clear Settings. Delete. Okay, it will search again for the networks. Connect yourself to the network again. So type again your password, press OK. Let it connect, and now hopefully it will work. If not, well, go back into the internet settings, and we're going to change a small thing that can make a huge difference in some cases. So from here, tap on your Wi-Fi network, change settings. Where you see primary DNS over here, DNS settings, tap on automatic and select manual instead. Select primary DNS, and now delete everything that is here and simply type 1.1.1.1. Press OK. Save. OK. Wait a bit. And it should work because we were using another server to connect to the internet, and hopefully that was the problem and you'll be able to use your Nintendo Switch 2. But now my other tip is to go where your Wi-Fi router is currently located and simply unplug it from the wall outlet. So pull the plug, disconnect it, and wait 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, connect it back. Wait so that the router come back alive. Take your Switch and try using it. Many times in the past, not only with the Switch, but with printers and other devices, I had this issue where you think it's the device fault for not connecting to the Wi-Fi, but the fault is actually your Wi-Fi router. And a simple reboot, the way I just showed you by disconnecting and reconnecting, can solve many connection problems with not only the Switch, but as I said, even a computer, your phone, and yeah, many other things. Now, if after trying everything, you're still having the same issue, take your phone or maybe any other device, again, a computer, and try connecting to your Wi-Fi network. If that device is not able to, or the connection is very slow, well, you will know that the Switch 2 is not the problem. It's your internet, and you need to check this with your internet provider. But yeah, overall, this is it. If you have any other tips on how to solve this Wi-Fi problems with your Switch 2, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to read them. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.